Alright, in this tutorial I want to show you how to remove mark sim. Actually in here we have a simple 3D cube in Blender 3D. So right now all you have to do is type the tab button on your keyboard like this. Then you can see in here there are a blue mark sim. So all you have to do is just remove it by type the button on your keyboard like push Ctrl plus E, then select clear sharp like this. Well, the problem is solved. Then maybe if you have the red mark seem like this, sometimes this is appear on the other 3D model if you download from, I don't know, maybe from Sketchfab or 3D warehouse or kind of it. Just do the same thing like this. Just type Control then plus E, then clear shim like this.